Hi, this is an explanation for week 5. Week 5 is hybrid week. The first activity you will be working on this week is to read chapter 16 on percents and decimals, and you're going to read the children's book Percentages, which you'll find in this activities folder that you see right in front of you here on the screen. The second activity you will be working on is to, by using the book or any other resources you know of, which is again your textbook or the internet, you're going to plan an activity that teaches students how to take fractions and create decimals or percentages. You're going to describe the activity, you're going to identify the grade level, you're going to write an objective in ABCD format for the activity, and you're going to post all this work in the Week 5 Wiki. You'll find the Week 5 Wiki here and a link to the Week 5 Wiki in the folder, which I'll show you in just a minute. Now, this is not an actual lesson plan that you're going to be creating. You don't need to use the Educational Studies lesson plan template for the activity. All you need to do is write your objective and describe the activity and identify the grade level. But if you decide that you want to practice using the template and you want to create an actual lesson using that information, I will give you extra credit. The third activity is to create a rational number wheel. Our author in the textbook talks a little bit about the use of a rational number wheel, and I would like you to create that. You're going to find the template of the wheel in this folder. I would suggest that you might use cardstock for durability. You can use construction paper, you can use regular paper, but I think if you want to manipulate it and play with it, cardstock is best. But use what you have and bring that. You're going to post a picture of that in the Week 5 Wiki. You're going to take an actual photo of that and you're going to post that in the Week 5 Wiki, and you're going to bring your rational number wheel to class Week 6. So you're going to not only post a picture of it, but you're also going to bring it to class, and we're going to play with them during Week 6. The fourth activity is to read the PowerPoint presentation. You're going to find 2 key points on the PowerPoint presentation of your own choosing and locate supporting details from the textbook about the key points you choose. Also locate a video teaching percents and decimals, and you'll see that at the very last slide in the PowerPoint presentation. You're going to post all of this information, your 2 key points with your supporting evidence and your video, and then you're going to post that in your Week 5 Wiki, and then you're going to comment on 2 of your colleagues' postings. So that's also a part of this activity, is that you will have to check back if you don't see any colleagues posting so far. If you're one of the first ones, you'll have to check back and find a colleague's postings, take a look at their 2 key points and their supporting evidence, and also view their video and then make a comment on their wiki page. Those are the activities for this week. Don't forget, the word problems assignment is due this week. You're going to create 5 word problems at any grade level of your choosing. I perhaps would pick a grade level of a student you know, because you're going to then be asked to make an analysis of the work that the student does for you in completing the word problems. That's the second part of this assignment. But I'd like you to post these problems in the word problem drop box. Make your word problems creative and visually appealing to spark an interest from your student. And you need to also bring those word problems on Week 6, because we're going to talk a little bit more about those as well. But also, Week 6, your literature and math lesson is due. So you're going to post the lesson plan in the Children's Literature Math drop box. You're going to make sure you have posted your lesson plan before Week 6, but I want you to bring your plan. You can bring it on your device, and your book, the actual book, to be able to share your lesson plan with your colleagues in class. If the book is online, then you're going to actually share it online with them. But that also is in Week 6. So it looks like you're going to be bringing your rational number wheel, your word problems, and your literature math lesson to class on Week 6, even though you've already posted those in all the correct places in Blackboard. Here is the wiki for Week 5. Here is a link to the word problems and analysis page on Blackboard. And here is the link for the Children's Literature Math lesson page, also found on Blackboard. I'm just going to open this folder so you can see what's inside it while I'm explaining things. Here is the percentage book that I explained earlier. It's a children's book that I'd like you to read through. This is the PowerPoint. This is the template for the rational number wheel. And again, a link to week 5 wiki. It's the same one as on the previous page. I just made another link here so you can reach it quickly if you're here on this page or if you're on the other page. That is an explanation for week 5. I hope it helps you. And as always, on Hybrid Week, I'll see you online.